welcome to Automotive area. Redesigned late in 2016, the Mazda CX-9 carries over to 2017 with no changes. The 2016 model marked the second generation for Mazda's three-row family crossover, boasting lighter weight construction, interior trimmings that are exceptionally more upscale, and a focus on driving dynamism. A 250 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine replaces the first generation's V6, and fuel efficiency is vastly improved. Above all, Mazda has successfully scaled the exterior designs of the Mazda 3 compact car and the MX-5 Miata sports car to the CX-9's crossover size. Putting zoom charisma into a three-row crossover is no easy feat, but Mazda does it with the CX-9, earning it a 2017 10 Best Award. A well-tuned suspension offers great handling, steering is light but precise. A 250 horsepower 2.5-liter turbo 4 mates with a 6-speed automatic and either front or all-wheel drive. The EPA estimates 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway for front-drive models. Adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking are standard on Grand Touring and signature trims. The 2017 Mazda CX-9 goes on sale later February starting at $32,460, the same price as last year's model.